So he starts playing, and he's not.
Oh wait, let me pause the video.
Actually, he's terrible.
That's Valerie with her bag. With her bag, that's Valerie. Dude, I should put this on my RP MySpace. Like, yeah, that's Valerie. She's so cool. And her mustache, yo. Look at the mustache. Look at it. Look at it. Fear it. Fear the mustache. Fear that mustache.
I breathed in my bag.
Yeah. That's me down in that little corner. Right there. Okay. And that's mustache girl. Mustache. she just and she's showing me this video. It's called Butt Hash Hero. Yes. She's still wearing her bag. And now she got I Love Jonas Brothers Demi Lovato thingy going on. You know she is obsessive over the Jonas Brothers. Oh, she looks gangster! Yeah. Yeah. You can't really see it up on camera, but it says JBDL.
I can't see.
Yeah. We keeps it real.
Wait, I'm gonna be gangster with my gangster friend. Can't see Chris now.
Teddy bears.
Can't see.
And that's Valerie.